Hi, my name is Daryl Douglas, Category Manager for SportDOG brand. Today I'm going to show you how to add dogs to your TEK 2.0 system and assign a collar to them. From the home page, go to My Dogs. Select Add a Dog and enter your dog's name. Hit Next to continue the setup process. You'll be asked if you want to use an e-collar for your dog. If you choose yes, you will be asked to choose the stem buttons for your dog and the stem range. Next, you will choose if you want an action, on point or treed, reported for your dog, and whether or not you want to use the bark indicator. Finally, you will assign your dog a collar. If you have multiple dogs listed, but only one collar, you'll receive a message asking if you are sure you want to reassign the collar to this dog. Select Done to complete this process. To assign this collar to a different dog, highlight the dog and push Enter. Arrow down to Assign Collar and push Enter. Select the collar color and select Reassign. Hit the left arrow key to return to the My Dogs page. You will see that the collar has been reassigned from Oz to Dog 1. If you have multiple collars, you will be able to assign each of them a different color, up to 21.